Hi everybody, it's Frankie and his mom, and we're using my first mind-blowing science kit. We're going to be doing Activity 10, Magic Ooze. We're going to be using cornstarch, a bowl, and some of the spoons that come with the Little Tykes Wonder Lab. Little Tykes, I'm still waiting for that robot, by the way. All right. So the first step is water.
Whoa! Water right there.
All right. You want to put the water in?
Yeah.
Into the bowl?
Yeah.
All right. Frankie's pouring the water in. All right. Second, we need 5 tablespoons. So, let Mommy help you. You want to pour this one in? Oops, that's a big one. 1. This is hard, but my mama help you. Hold on, so we don't get it everywhere. That's like 3. Let's just say we need like 1 more.
All right, ready.
All right, you want to mix it all together? All right. You gotta mix it good. It looks like milk, you're right. Keep mixing, don't you taste it, you silly. Keep mixing. I think we need to add a little more powder because it's not coming out the right substance, so. Mama needs more powder. Alright, ready? Frankie, mix that all in, babe. Yeah, keep mixing it. Is that liquid?
No.
Is it solid?
No.
What kind of material is it? It's its own material, right?
I taste this.
No, you can't taste it, honey. These are chemicals.
Oh.
I still need more cornstarch.
He won't go, Dad. Yeah. I need my food.
You need your spoon to mix it, you're right. All right, keep mixing. We need more. It's not the right consistency.
Too much.
All right. Frankie said too much. Must be too much. Keep going. Oops. That's all right.
Mommy.
Well, you did that.
I did that. Okay.
All right. Now we're getting the right stuff.
I need more powder.
No, we don't need more powder.
Yeah, I need more powder.
Look at this weird stuff.
I need more powder.
All right. A little more, and that's it. Keep going?
Yep.
How much water did we put in?
Too much.
Too much. We need more powder.
Need more powder?
Oh, I almost put the wrong powder in. Uh-oh. Now what do we got? Any type of substance? No, pretend taste. But you don't want to eat chemicals, silly.
I like eating.
Frankie's a jokester. My babe's a joker. Well,
and my daddy.
Once again, we did not come up with the correct substance because Mommy cannot measure. So, it was supposed to be an oozy slime thing, but we kind of just have a liquid here. Should be a non-Newtonian fluid, but Hey, don't do that. All right, guys. We'll catch you on our next video fail.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.